This is the part of the show where Mark and I get to look stupid. Sorry, more stupid than usual.
Yeah. You all know what that means.
Bring on the truck of love! There is something inside this truck, and Mark and I have no idea what.
But whatever it is, we just have to go with it.
All right, here goes. Mystery guest, reveal yourself! Hey! Oh,
Lovely to meet you,
that's
mate.
me, I'm Sam.
I'm Mark. Lovely to meet you.
Oh, lovely to meet you. So, what's our challenge then?
Your challenge today is to dance like a Cossack.
Oh, brilliant. Shall we go and get ready then?
I think we should.
Yeah. OK, it's time for us to take on our challenge.
Petro, tell us the challenge, please, what we've got to do.
Well, today you're going to do an energetic combination of Cossack dance moves. You're going to battle against each other, and at the end, I'll be judging you to see who's the best.
Fantastic. That's the challenge. But how do you lot think we're going to do?
Studio audience, we are now going to ask you to vote who you think will be the best. If you get it right, there is a prize in it for you.
You've each got 2 cards, blue for Sam and pink for me.
So, please make your decisions and raise your cards. Pretty even,
I have 50-50.
That's pretty even. Pretty even.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Lower your cards.
50-50, we're saying. 50-50.
All right. Well, we shall see.
Yeah, let's
I've
get started.
Mine Cossack dance. Here you go. Come on.
Good luck, mate. Good luck.
OK, take your positions.
OK.
Here we go.
OK, Klopchi.
We're too old for this one. We're too old for this one.
Petro, now down to you to decide who's won.
Well, you both did really well.
Thank you.
Sam, you're really energetic.
Brilliant.
But Mark, your moves were much, much cleaner and sharper. Mark's the winner.
So, it's a win for me then, it's a win for everyone who voted for me because you all receive a highly coveted Sam and Mark Wind Up Windy.
Yes.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much. Amazing.
Oh, can we get changed now?
Yeah.
I need to stretch.
OK, whilst we do that, let's take a look at what happened when we wound up our studio audience before the show. One more time, round of applause, guys.